Alright, uh, I have my PS2. It's a pretty old PS2, PlayStation 2. Um, I got everything plugged up. I got a disc in there. Every time I try to start it up, it's just that. I have everything else plugged up. I have plugged up here. Sorry, I don't have many lights on. This, I have it plugged up. TV, and I've done it multiple times. I've unplugged it, plugged it back in. It doesn't work. If anybody can tell me, like, help me find out how to get it to work, or if I'm doing something wrong. I have the only cables that really go in there. I don't know why it's not working. Um, I've done it multiple times. Just keeps on going off. Well, down in the comments, can you tell me if it works or not? Like, would it help if I'm doing something wrong, or if it happens to you?